Welcome back, boys! Sorry about the high energy, guys. Just want to grab your attention real quick. I've been out of town for a while with work, but when I got back, there was a bunch of car parts on the doorstep, which is always an exciting feeling. You guys know what it's like. I know what it's like. It's like Christmas. So I want to walk through exactly what I got. So let's just jump right into it and see what's here. Okay, guys. So first things first, I'm going to make an individual video for each of these items, just giving my initial review and what my thoughts on them. But for now, let's just go through what I got. So look for that detailed video for whichever item you want to watch. That way I kind of walk through exactly what it is and the plan for it. This will just kind of be an overview of everything I got today. So with that said, let's start with the box that I already opened. Okay, so to check out the unopened box, we have to go over to the guest bedroom. Now if you watched the other video, you know that I talked about doing some hot boy shit for the MR2. Well, sneak peek, here's the wing that we're doing. Now, obviously everything that's black there will have to be painted the blue to match the car. This was just a spare that's actually going to have a drag wing on it eventually. So I ordered a carbon fiber trunk that wing is going to go on, but it's not here yet, so that's going to be a slow process. But I'll let you know when that trunk arrives, and I'll make a video about it. Okay, next on the list, the VP Racing fuel cell tank filler container, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty much speaks for itself. Something to note, when I did order this, you have to get the nozzle separately, which is kind of annoying. But it's supposed to be E85 friendly. It's supposed to keep it for a long time, supposedly. Alright, so next on the list is the Go EFI FiTech. FiTech, I really don't know what they prefer and what it's supposed to be called. But this is actually the fuel injection setup that replaces the carburetor on the Barracuda. So I'll go ahead and open it and show you what we got. Okay, so as you can see, this thing is awesome. It's a sweet unit. But like I said earlier, I'm not going to go into too much detail about each of these items. If you're interested, stay tuned for one of the following videos, because I'm going to go into more detail about it. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump to this box. If you can read that, 450 Aeromotive, you can probably already tell what that's going to be. That is the Trifecta 450. That's 3 450 pumps that go inside the tank on a single hanger. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So I don't know if you saw my face reaction when I first opened this thing, but this thing is a beast. So I do know that you can trim this foam as needed, because a fuel cell will be built around this. Oh my god. This thing is beautiful. So it looks like we got one of the 450s there. There's gonna be some more inside those boxes. Oh god, this thing is getting me excited. So like I said earlier, I'm gonna make an individual video for all these items. If you're interested, stay tuned. But I really gotta take a second to do another little pan on this because, wow. Alright, let's take a break from opening up the last box. Check out the tires. These are the rear tires for the Barracuda. Yes, that means that the rear wheels are ordered. Like 3-month back order on those though, but we got the tires already. These are 275 60-15s, and these are Mickey Thompson Radials. If you know anything about these tires, you know that they'll hook. So stay tuned for a review on these once they are on the car. Oh, it's I might as well show you guys this. I don't think I've showed you it yet. It's a little table I put together. One of my buddies on Facebook was selling the rubber and the wheel, and I just went to Pure One Imports, bought the glass for like 50 bucks. Made a pretty cool table. So just for a quick comparison, let's bring these 275 60-15s and put them next to the MR2, which I believe is 275 50-15s. I'll confirm that once we're outside. FYI boys, I got the same wheels for the Barracuda coming. These are 275 50-15. So let me go get the other wheel tires and set them right next to this and see what it looks like. Rolling, 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 rolling. Oh baby. Oh doctor. So in case you guys didn't know why I chose 275, that is to keep it class legal for the 275 small tire class. Man, that's quite a bit taller, huh? God, I can't wait. So as you can see, I already took the trunk off the MR2 because that carbon fiber one's coming in. We got the hood also coming in. Wheels and tires also coming in. So we can get that full hot boy look. If you watch the other videos, in one of the videos I said what wheels and tires I'm getting. So if you want to go back and look, go ahead. Alright boys, one box left. I have no idea what's inside. Let's find out. Say hello to Mr. Giraffe. Oh, this is the fun juice, boys. We got a gauge there. Oh, this is already exciting. Oh yeah, I know what's gonna be in here. Alright boys, well that was a fake out. There was a box inside of the box. What a letdown. This is a fail. This is a fail. Not working. Okay boys, sorry about that. Attempt number 3 to open this box. But it's heavy and I think you probably already know what's in here. But I'm excited to open it, so I'm going all for it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh doctor. Oh doctor. Oh doctor. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, doctor. I'm gonna enjoy this a lot. Alright, so after further review, it looks like there's another shipment with more nitrous stuff coming. Kind of got scared for a second, but it's okay. My boy Phoenix over at Throtl, who I ordered all of these parts from, well, maybe not all of it, but most of it, just let me know that there's another shipment coming. Not to worry about it. Some stuff around back order, but it's okay. No rush. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and plug Throtl's link down below in the description. If you become a VIP, you get a huge saving. I think if with all these parts, I probably saved like 500 bucks. Okay guys, so anyways, as I said earlier, I'm going to make an individual video for each of these items. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned for that. All these items are top notch, as you know, super reputable companies. VP Racing, FiTech, Nitrous Outlet, almost said Nitrous Express. Oof, don't do that, I can't make that mistake. Mickey Thompson's. There's going to be more parts coming in, so I'll make a second video. But to give you a real brief overview, rubber, that's the back tires for the Barracuda. Nitrous, That's for the Barracuda. FiTech, also for the Barracuda. Aeromotive Trifecta, that's the fuel pump for the Barracuda. Fuel cell, that's for the Barracuda MR2, whatever I want to keep in there. It's going to be mainly ethanol that I keep in there. Then of course the wing that I showed you earlier, that's for the MR2. So as always guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share it because that really helps. If you have any questions, link it down below and I'll answer it as soon as I can. And I'll see you on the next one, boys.
In Paris they sang Let It Be by Pigalle Church Cathedral steps. Only the gypsy asked for change though. Apologies fall from my lips like ash from cigarette embers. Veins riddle skin surfaces like the innocence of children's drawings. Weather colder than 2 Decembers.